Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to pass USMLE Step 1 in step by step. Begin by mapping a 12-week study schedule with dedicated blocks for first aid, question banks, and week point review. Assign daily goals, rest periods, and weekly practice exams. Track progress with a simple spreadsheet. Prioritize active recall, spaced repetition, and integration across organ systems to build durable understanding and exam readiness. Choose one primary review resource and one question bank to avoid scattered learning. Schedule daily blocks for reading, questions, and spaced repetition flashcards. Annotate high-yield facts and link them to clinical examples. Simulate exam timing with full-length practice tests every 2 to 3 weeks. Adjust study tempo based on percent correct trends and targeted weak areas to steadily improve accuracy and pacing. Quick recommendation and a small break. If this video is helping, please subscribe and like to support more content. On another note, bento box make meal prep easy with these leak-proof containers I use during long study weeks. They save time and reduce stress. Check the description for the link and other deals so you can grab a set for study day meals. Now let's get back to the video. Approach each question by first identifying the key clinical clue and the question stem goal. Eliminate distractors and prioritize answers that fit physiology and pathophysiology. Use time management techniques like marking hard items for review and answering all questions instead of omitting. Practice pacing with mixed topic blocks to build endurance and reduce anxiety on test day while reinforcing pattern recognition across question types and systems.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.